Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Salt is one of the most used seasonings in the whole world, but it can be used outside of the kitchen as well. In fact, salt plays an important role in our bodies since it contains sodium and chloride, which are responsible for regulating our nerve function, blood pressure, muscular contractions, and keeping our fluids balanced. On the other hand, salt has gained a bad reputation due to a few health risks that are associated with it. Its consumption has been linked to conditions such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and even cancer. These risks are mainly related to people who are sensitive to salt and its excessive consumption. So if you enjoy salting your food, or you're more sensitive to the effects it can have on your body, we have a special recipe for you. This recipe is for homemade salt that's mixed with herbs, which give it several health benefits. The best part is that it tastes just like salt, but with less sodium. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 20 grams of dried rosemary, 20 grams of dried basil, 20 grams of dried oregano, 10 grams of sea salt. The amounts are very important. If possible, use a scale to weigh out each ingredient. If you don't have a food scale at home, measure the ingredients out with a tablespoon, 1 tablespoonful of each herb, and half a tablespoon of sea salt. Instructions: blend all the ingredients. Store the homemade salt in a closed glass jar. Use it as a substitute for table salt in all of your recipes. Use the same amount as you normally would. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.